Today's video is brought to us by Pique. More on them later on. Homemaking to keep calm. Let's explore that concept in today's video. Welcome back to the Daily Connoisseur. We use homemaking for many things, out of necessity of course, but we often turn to it for other reasons. And in times of darkness and stress, we can alter our homemaking to accommodate how we are feeling, or, more importantly, what we need to feel. When I think of the word calm, I also think of the word comfort. So today we are making some comfort foods: turkey shepherd's pie and butterscotch pudding. I'm also cleaning the kitchen by candlelight. Let's begin with the comfort food. Shepherd's pie is a favorite for everyone in the family, and occasionally I like to make a twist on the traditional recipe. I'm going to make a double batch of turkey shepherd's pie, one for tomorrow's meal and one for the freezer. I'm making this late in the evening on a very rainy night. So you've been watching me get the mashed potatoes going. And now, I'm sautéing the onion in oil and preparing the other vegetables, carrots and mushrooms. I'll have the recipe linked on my blog, as always. I had to step out into the rain to get parsley from the garden, but it was totally worth it. I add that in now. Once the vegetables are browned, I add the ground turkey. This looks like a lot because I'm making a double batch. The potatoes are cooked, so I drain them. And add them to my stand mixer, along with melted butter, heavy cream, salt and pepper. Drain the turkey mixture once it's cooked if needed. Then, I add some chicken bouillon, flour to thicken, salt and pepper, and a dash of Worcestershire sauce. Now I'm preparing the baking pans. One for tomorrow's dinner and one for the freezer. I add the meat mixture and then top with the creamy mashed potatoes. Because I'm cooking one tomorrow and one's for the freezer, I'm not going to bake this any further, but I'm going to cover it with foil. Tomorrow, I'll pop one in the oven and put it under the broiler to heat and brown it. Some time has passed and now I'm in my pajamas. It's time to clean up the kitchen. There isn't too much of a mess this evening. I'm going to light a candle to keep me company. Let's explore calmness and how we can demonstrate it in our homemaking. Calm as an adjective means not showing or feeling anger, nervousness, or other strong emotions. Calm as a verb means to make someone tranquil or quiet, to soothe. How can we make homemaking calming? A balm to soothe our unquiet hearts and minds. A tranquil meditation that, at once, looks after not only our homes, but ourselves too. We can turn our homemaking into a meditation, no matter what is going on around us, no matter what storms are outside. There's a pop song called Thunderclouds. The kids and I love it. The chorus says, "Don't be afraid of these thunderclouds." The other night there was a thunderstorm, and as I looked out the window, my daughter sang the lyrics to that song. I felt an instant calm. So sometimes we have to tune out the noise from outside and focus on the soothing and repetitive nature of homemaking to induce calm. Go easy on yourself. Go slow. All we have is this present moment. Breathe deeply. Turn out the lights. And good night for now. I'd like to thank Pique for bringing us this video. I adore their tea and recently shared them in the intermittent fasting teas video. I'll link in the iCard above. Pique have many amazing products, but they're known for their Sun Goddess matcha, which is organic, ceremonial grade, and quadruple toxin screened for purity. I'm making an oat milk matcha latte here. With a dash of honey, this is so satisfying. They are also known for their Daily Radiance Shot, which is their vitamin C and organic elderberry superfood complex. This is very pleasant to take as it tastes like a little shot of dessert. They also have a new one called the Detox Fountain, a beauty electrolyte designed for deep hydration and youthful skin. Pique's Detox Fountain enhances and boosts internal moisture and production and preservation. It has ceramides that visibly reduce fine lines, hyaluronic acid that increases skin moisture, and electrolytes that provide deep cellular hydration. Plus, this tastes delicious. I love the yuzu berry flavor. Click my link below and use the code DAILYC to get 5% off. Plus, get a free Pique sampler pack when you buy 2 or more cartons of Detox. Okay, let's prepare the butterscotch pudding. Years ago, I loved to dine at the Viceroy Hotel in Santa Monica. They had a butterscotch pudding dessert that was out of this world. It was elevated yet comforting. That's what I want to make today. This recipe is from the Pioneer Woman. I'll link to her recipe down below. I begin by separating 4 egg yolks from the whites. You don't need to throw the egg whites away. I ended up using mine for a breakfast omelet later on in the morning. I add the egg yolks to 3 cups of whole milk and whisk together. On the stove, I combine brown sugar, cornstarch, and salt. Then I whisk in the milk and egg yolk mixture and turn the heat on medium, stirring regularly, and I cook this until it gets bubbly and thick, which took around 7 minutes. Then I add the butter and turn off the heat and mix it all up. I then transfer this to these lovely footed dessert dishes. If you don't have these, you can use glass or even teacups. Just let the mixture cool slightly if you're placing it in a container that can't take heat. After this step, place them in the refrigerator and let them cool for at least an hour. Time for lunch. I've been reheating the shepherd's pie in the oven. It takes around 45 minutes at 350 degrees to heat all the way through, but it will depend on your oven. Once it's heated through, I place it under the broiler for 3 to 4 minutes to brown the top of it, a complete must. I serve this with a sprig of fresh parsley on top. The whole family loves this dish. It provides a calming comfort. It's time for tea. The pudding is chilled and set. I made some homemade whipped cream and place a dollop on top of the dessert. I enjoy this for tea time today with a hot cup of black bergamot tea. What an outstanding pudding. This recipe is a keeper. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you found a meditative calm in homemaking with me. Thank you to Pique for bringing us today's video. Click my link below and use code DAILYC to get 5% off, plus get a free Pique sampler pack when you buy 2 or more cartons of Detox. Keep calm and remain classy, everyone, and I will see you in my next video. Love, Jennifer.